If your Midea portable air conditioner is making loud or unusual noises, it usually means something inside the unit needs attention. The first step is to identify the sound, because different noises point to different problems. Rattling or banging noises often happen when screws, panels, or internal parts become loose or when debris gets inside the unit. A whining or grinding sound may indicate a fan or motor issue, while buzzing noises can be linked to electrical components like the compressor or capacitor. Hissing or whistling sounds are more serious and may signal a refrigerant leak, which should be handled by a professional technician immediately. Before checking anything, always turn off and unplug the air conditioner for safety. Many noise problems can be fixed with simple maintenance. Tighten loose panels, clean the fan blades, and remove dust buildup from filters and coils to improve airflow. If your unit produces rattling during operation, placing rubber padding or tape between vibrating parts can help reduce noise. For some Midea U-shaped or portable models, slightly tilting the unit backward can improve water drainage and stop splashing sounds caused by collected moisture. However, if the noise comes from the compressor, electrical system, or refrigerant components, professional repair is the safest option to avoid further damage.